In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to your Wix website easily. Whether you're creating a new site or updating an existing one, adding text is a fundamental skill that will make your content shine. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open the Wix website editor. You can do this by logging into your Wix account and selecting the site you want to edit. Once you're in the site dashboard, look for the Edit Site button, which will direct you to the Wix editor where the magic happens. Now that you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left side panel. You'll see an option labeled Add, represented by a plus sign. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with multiple elements you can add to your site. Here you'll want to click on Text. This action opens up a menu showcasing various text options, ranging from paragraph text to titles and quotes. Choosing the right type of text element for your page is crucial because it sets the tone and visual structure of your content. Next, your task is to choose a text design. This is essentially about picking the style of text that aligns with your site's aesthetic. Think about your brand and the message you want to convey. Do you want something bold, playful, or more formal? Select the design that best fits and drag it onto your page. To customize your text content, simply double-click on the text box you've added. This will allow you to enter the desired text directly. Here you can freely type and format your message as you wish. Editing the text box is straightforward and provides you with a live preview of how your content will appear to visitors. When you've entered your text, you might want to refine it further. Click on Edit Text, which will open up text settings, and this is where more detailed customization takes place. You have myriad options at your disposal here. You can choose from a plethora of fonts. Wix offers a wide variety to suit every style. Changing the font allows you to better match your website's theme or to highlight specific sections of your content. After choosing your font, go on to select the font size. Depending on the significance of the text, you might want to make it large and bold or small and subtle. Use the font size options listed, or if you have a specific size in mind, there's also the option to type in font size precisely to get the exact look you want. Experiment with different sizes until the text suits your vision. Adjusting the font size can be a subtle yet powerful tool in guiding your audience's focus across your web page. Consistency is key, so keep an eye on uniformity for a professional look. By following these steps, you'll effortlessly add and customize text on your Wix website, enhancing your site's appeal and functionality. Happy editing!